How to return on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can return your Shein order. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to return something from Shein and you're still within your 45-day return window, you can follow the instructions which I'll tell you in this video. Now, first, just make sure to sign into your Shein account by using your email address and your password. Once you sign into your Shein account, on the next page, you will see this kind of interface. You have to simply tap on the messaging icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the messaging icon, over here you will find this section that says orders. You have to go to the your orders tab. Once you go to your orders, you'll be able to see a list of all of the products that you've ordered on Shein. And if you would like to return some of the products, you have to tap on the return item button, which is at the bottom of the screen. And as you tap on return item, on the next page you have to select the product or highlight it as to which product you want to go ahead and then return it. Once you select the product that you want to return, on the next page you have to select the reason for returning. Now, if possible, go ahead and enter all of the reasons, and as well you can also go ahead and then upload some photos if you would really like to. Now, you can see it says photos are required when applying for return, so just go ahead and choose your photos as well. Once you've filled in all of the details, just tap on the next step, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you tap on the next step, now once you're on this page, you can choose refund method or return method. So if you would like to refund it, please select a refund method. You have the Shein wallet refund method. You also have the original payment refund method. Or if you would like to select a return method, then you basically have to select your return method over here. And at the bottom, you have to select your post office, return by USPS return label or return by UPS return label. Now this depends upon the region you're living as well, so keep that in mind. And once you've done so, tap on the submit button at the bottom of the screen. Now once you click on submit button, you will get a USPS or UPS label or your UPS QR code depending on your selected return method. You'll also get a confirmation of your return to your email address. And that's all it takes to return your order on Shein. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.